Hello to all my lovely viewers out there, to all the people that have been following this channel while right now. The channel has just launched its first 4 weeks on YouTube. Grown to 4 weeks on YouTube right now. I want to say a big thanks to all the people that have been following us, clicking on our videos, watching them, liking and sending in your comments. I want to say a big appreciation and a big thanks to all you. We are really glad for you to be on this channel. I will just make a very quick one and a very quick video that for you guys out there. I will teach you on how to create a playlist on your videos. If you go on YouTube, on the YouTube platform, you will see on the homepage, YouTube will give you access on creating a playlist for your series of videos that you create on your channel, so that this series of videos can come on rows and come on the right side of this recommendation term. If you watch on a video talking about a specific topic, if you rename that topic on a playlist and arrange all these videos under that playlist, YouTube will still recommend that viewer on that playlist, so that he can watch more content on that playlist of that content creator. So I will teach you on how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Still stay with me here. I will come back when I teach you on how to make create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Yes, to all my dudes out there, all my folks, all my lovely people. Yeah, you know, when I'm doing this tutorials, sometimes I used to come like the rapper. Yeah, from there I want to know the playlist. Now I'm gonna show you on how to do playlist. Create your playlist on your YouTube channel. It's very easy. Now on this on this channel is on the I'm gonna create this playlist on my Ultimate Media Gambia channel, because I'm uploading a video on my Ultimate Media Gambia channel, so I cannot switch to the Ultimate Tips channel right now, because if I skip to it, my upload here is gonna fail, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a how to series playlist. How to series, that is how to edit, upload, how to and how to add end screens and stuff. So I'm gonna create a how to series of a playlist. So you see this, I'm gonna create a playlist. You just click on this, save to playlist. Just click one video and save to playlist. Then you create a new. You see here, new down here. You create a new. Then you name the playlist on how to series, how to edit, how to grow on YouTube series. You see, how to grow on YouTube series. So this easy, put it properly. The here should be on public. So when you click the video and you click on how to grow on YouTube series 2020, then you create the playlist. You see, I've created the playlist. That is the first video here. So the next video is, I just have to add it, save to playlist. You see the next video, save to playlist. You click on how to series, it is there. You X here, it's already, you see, it's added to the playlist how to series. Then you come here, how to add end screens, save to playlist. You see, it is there. Then you scroll here, Ultimate Tips behind the scenes. No, I don't need that one. Good morning vibe, I don't need one. How to customize is a how to series. Save to playlist. It's here. And how I set up my YouTube is here. You save it to playlist. It's there. Now, you see, add on how to grow your YouTube series. This is the simplest way on how to create your playlist. When you come here now, just click here. Here, you see, this playlist is here already. When you click on this playlist, Wait for the playlist. You see how to grow on YouTube series. There are 5 videos here. If you play this video, the first video, if you play it, play all, if someone watches this video, YouTube is gonna recommend all these videos here to watch more of these videos. You see, YouTube is gonna recommend all these videos here so that you can watch all these videos here. You see, that is how to create your playlist on YouTube. So when you watch this video, YouTube is gonna recommend this video and recommend this video after this video, this video. So this is a very impact way on how to grow your channel on YouTube. This is gonna help you on how to grow your channel and get you more views and subscribers. Last I am talking on this topic, how to get more subscribers and viewers. This is the simplest way. This is one of those simplest way on how to get more viewers and subscribers. Thanks. Till next time. Now this playlist, I'm gonna copy it. Yes, I want to say a big thanks to everybody that have watched that video. This is Lura from the Gambia, out from West Africa. I want to say a big thanks for you once more for just watching this video, and I want to say to like and just send a comment on the video and share it to your social media and share it to all your friends, and so that they can come back and watch more videos from this channel. This was how to create your playlist on your YouTube platform and add more videos on your playlist so that people can click on a video and watch more content. So till next time, I will come back and create more videos for you and more educational videos from this channel. Yeah, thank you. Until next time when I come back and creating until next time when I come back and create more videos for you on this channel. So till next time. How to create your playlist on your YouTube platform and add more videos on your playlist so that people can click on a video and watch more content. So till next time, I will come back and create more videos for you and more educational videos from this channel.